Our sugar scrub cubes are a wonderful single-use product that cleanses, moisturizes, and exfoliates all in one step. As the main ingredient is sugar, they're super cost-effective too. To make our winter face scented sugar scrub cubes, you'll need the following: 200 grams of Stevenson's WSLS-free melt and pour soap base, 600 grams of granulated sugar, 200 grams of coconut refined oil, 30 grams of Craftivator's Winter Fae fragrance oil, and 5 grams of Purple Heart mica powder. You'll also need a set of kitchen weighing scales, a large heat-proof jug, a loaf mold, 2 medium heat-proof jugs or bowls, 1 small jug or container for your fragrance oil, 1 small pot for your mica powder, a thermometer, a sharp knife, a spatula, 3 500ml round plastic jars and caps from Craftivator, and a microwave to heat your products. Start by chopping the soap base into equal cubes and placing into the large heat-proof jug. Weigh out the rest of your ingredients into separate containers. Next, melt the coconut oil in the microwave on short 10 to 15 second bursts until it reaches approximately 60 degrees Celsius. Add the mica powder to the melted coconut oil and stir until fully combined. Now, take your fragrance oil and add this to the coconut oil and mica powder mix and stir well until everything is completely combined. Now, melt your soap base in the microwave on short 30 to 60 second bursts until it reaches between 65 and 70 degrees Celsius. Ensure you have everything to hand now, as you will need to work as quickly as possible. Take your melted coconut oil, mica, and fragrance oil mix and add it to the melted soap base and stir until fully combined. Don't worry if you start to see some of the mix starting to solidify, as we will be heating the mix back up after the next step. Now, add your granulated sugar. You will notice that the mixture will begin to set hard within just a few seconds, but continue to mix until it's all combined. Place the jug into the microwave and gently heat up until the mixture is back to a thick but pourable consistency. You want to be careful not to overheat, as this will cause the sugar to melt and burn. Once it's reached that consistency, quickly pour into your mold. Again, your mixture will set very quickly and it can look a bit messy, but just try to get the top as smooth as possible. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Now, leave the mixture to cool for approximately 4 to 6 hours. Once cool, remove the loaf from your mold. To get your perfect cube size, start by cutting your loaf into 1-inch slices and then cut each slice into 6 cubes. You should be able to fill 3 of our 500ml cosmetic jars with this recipe. We hope you enjoyed this Craftivator tutorial for scented sugar scrub cubes. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.